In the world of matcha, there is one tool that stands between a bland green drink and a transcendent experience. This is your chasen, and understanding it is the first step to mastery. Each of its delicate tines is carved by hand from a single piece of bamboo. Its design isn't random. It's engineered to incorporate air, creating that signature velvety microfoam. It begins with hydration. A warm soak prepares the bamboo, making it flexible. Then, the technique. A relaxed grip and the motion. Not a circle, but a rapid, back-and-forth stroke that whips air into the tea. The ceremony doesn't end with the last sip. Care is paramount. An immediate, gentle rinse prevents tea particles from clinging and hardening. And then, the most crucial step, proper drying. A dedicated holder ensures even airflow, preventing mold and preserving its perfect form. Over time, your chasen will evolve. It will bloom, the tines will separate and straighten. This is not a flaw, but a sign of maturity. A bloomed chasen is often more efficient. Remember, it's a natural material. Its eventual retirement is not a failure, but a testament to the many wonderful bowls it has helped create. Your chasen is more than a whisk. It's a partner in your practice. Treat it with knowledge and respect, and it will be your gateway to a daily moment of peace. A true sanctuary in your teacup. Discover more at Teanagoo.